Hello, today we're gonna learn a song by Joe Praise, Mighty God, and I'm playing in a key of C. Alright, so I'm going to play the song and then show you the chords that I use. A very simple progression. So, I will speak of your glory and the earth of your beauty. If I dance, it'll be enough, and if I shout, it'll be enough, for you are the great and mighty God, so greatly to be praised, beautiful for our situation. You are the joy of the whole world. Helema, helema, mama. 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 Alright, so I'm using my ninth chord. Now the progression is a simple one, as I said earlier. We're playing 1 in the key of C, 1, 4, and 5. These are the 3 notes that you build a chord to play. So if you take in 1, you build a chord. This is your triad, your C, E, G. Now, because you are playing a ninth major, you add the second note, which is the re, to make your ninth chord. So this is your chord 1. Now, you can invert it anyhow you want it. You can come and play the G here to make it like this. You can remove this E and come and play it like this. Right. So I know that I'm playing the inversion if I change it like this. Right. And then the chord 4, which is this one. Right. So your triad chord is your this F, A, C, and you add your G to it. So you can also invert this one and play this one. Alright. Now you can also play like this. It's still the same 4th chord. It's just an inversion. Okay, now the 5th chord. Alright. So it's a G, A, B, D. You can also invert it. So that's what we're playing. Alright. Now you saw me play. Alright. This one is just your 7th chord. This one I'll play instead of the F, I'll play G. Right. So it's B, D, G over your 7th note. Okay. And then you have your 6th chord, which is your A, E, A, C, E. And then to your 5th chord. So what we're playing is I will speak of your glory, 5, and the earth of your beauty, 1. If I dance, it will be enough, 5. If I shout, it will be enough, 1. You are the great and mighty God, 4. So greatly to be praised, 1. Beautiful for all situation, 5. You are the joy of the whole world. Helema, helema, mama. Helema, helema, mama. Helema, helema, mama. Helema, helema, mama. Alright, now the first part is a 1, 5, 1, 5. And where you sing, you are the great and mighty God, you move to 4, 1, 5. The first progression is 1, 5, 1, 5. And then where you sing, you are the great and mighty God, you start from 4. so greatly to be praised, to 1, beautiful for our situation, to 5, you are the joy of the whole world. So if it cuts across throughout, it's 1 4 1 5, 1 4 1 5. Only the part that sings, I will speak of your glory, which is a 1 5 1 5 1 5. All right. So I believe these calls should be able to help you play the song. And leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.